Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday reiterated his controversial remarks and said that he had put the truth in front of the country, that if opposition Congress party will be voted to power, then the party will distribute the country's wealth among the infiltrators. While addressing a rally in Rajasthan, PM Modi said that his 90-second speech has created panic in the entire Congress and India alliance. The PM's comments have been widely believed to be referring to India's Muslim minority. Further sharpening his attacks, PM Modi said that the Congress has always been about appeasement and vote bank politics. On the occasion of Hanuman Jayanti, Modi said during Congress rule, people were not even allowed to play Hanuman Chalisa in public.
90 सेकंड का भाषण और मैंने कुछ सत्य देश के सामने रखा और पूरी कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन में ऐसी भगदड़ मची है, ऐसी भगदड़ मची है। मैंने सत्य रखा देश के सामने। कांग्रेस आपकी संपत्ति छीनकर उनके खास लोगों को बांटने की गहरी साजिश रचकर बैठी है।
Modi's remarks have been seized on by the opposition, who have long accused Modi and the BJP of using divisive rhetoric to turbocharge their increasingly popular brand of Hindu nationalism. Senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh in a post on X said that over the past 10 years, most of the public assets and resources have been sold to one or two companies. Economists have pointed out that the growing monopolies in the economy have led to inflation. The Congress has also asked the Election Commission to take action and hold the PM accountable for his statement. India, a populous country, is in the midst of 7-phase national elections in which PM Modi's BJP is expected to win a third consecutive term.